Guys, I am on with a Hobby Lobby clearance, but not much crafty, some not clearance. Anyway, it's more decor stuff, and I'll add a clip at the end of what the pots I purchased and the rug for my back porch. So, my back patio, I guess it would be called. All right, so let's get started. I went to two different ones, but they have the spring stuff on 50% off. So no surprise there. I got this because my front porch right now is bees. So, oh, and I got this bag for 50, but I don't remember because I used it. Cute, more cute. All right. Got this for my son. He is a correctional officer, so I think he'll like that. He likes to wear hats. Yeah, it's funny that he's the one that wears hats and has a full head of hair. My other son doesn't like to wear hats and he doesn't have hair. Whatever. Anywho, I decided to pick this up for my living room for spring and summer. Isn't that gorgeous? And it's got this like whipped, and it was down to $7.24. So I just love it. It's kind of my color thing, as you can see. I got a lot of this kind of, a lot of Hobby Lobby stuff, pictures in my house. And then I went into the housewares type thing. I thought, oh, look in there, $5.49 for this huge by Nook & Company collapsible. So going back and forth to the trailer, it's big. It's 19 by 13.77 inches. So yeah, I'm all about the storage. Let's see here. So, you know what? For $5, that's a little over $5. Let's see how this. You know, I gotta be goofy. Hopefully it works. Is there a reason it's on sale? I don't know. They, you know, where they have now the bedding. That's so weird. Kitchen towels, or bathroom towels, rather. This goes like this. Come on. Oh, this is not up. Let's watch Kim struggle with the... Okay. Oh, there we go. Sorry. You know me. Goofball. Okay, it does click into place really good. I like that. So there you go. Woohoo! Okay. That was a long time spent. Okay, Emma was over the other night. She goes, I think you have a problem, Grandma. You need to go to counseling. I go, why? She goes, because all of a sudden you're into ladybugs. Because I have my ladybug purse. I have ladybug charms, wallet, bag. Anyway, she goes, I think, didn't you used to call your red card the ladybug? I think you're, you know, missing it. I go, there you go. So anyway, this one's just, I had to get it because Emma said, made a big fuss. And I do like ladybugs. $6.99. Seems to be the bug of the year. I don't know. This was, I had to have this. $1.29. Why would they put that sticker right on the picture? Gosh darn it. Well, thank you, ding dongs. So, anyway, but see, look at that. I'm going to have to carefully get that off of there. That's really annoying. You have the back where you put it too. Good grief, I should have noticed that and not gotten it. All right. I think I can get it off if I work it with my finger, yeah. But, you know, really? Anyway. Not happy. Okay. Got this. I bought birch one for my front porch. This was $3.49. They did not have the sticker stuff on clearance yet, any of the paper crafting, so we're usually late to the party here in these parts. Anyway, so I'm going to put this in this outdoor lantern because I bought a birch one, but it's too big. It doesn't look right in it. I decided I like this because it can stand up, and I'm going to paint it. 50% off, so $2.49. Yep. And I am sorry, I can't remember who was saying they melt these mini beads. They're not as big as enamels. They could have been Melissa Moe's creations. I'm not sure. So anyway, I grabbed some because I thought that was a great idea where you melt them and you get little enamel dots. I got this gorgeous duck. Oh, type of fabric duck. $3.26, but it's got strawberries. Let's see how much I got. Because, you know, I'm such a seamstress. But I thought I could even put it, it looked like it might be big enough to be like a little table runner or something, or go on a, isn't that gorgeous? Look at it. Very pretty, but very long. So yeah, I think I could put it up on one of my shelves. I have a round table. I do not have, so I don't put them on there, but I put them on my different cupboards in, or what are they? I have the 12 by 12, like IKEA, but Better Homes and Garden. Anyway, in my living room. Because my entire house is filled with crafts. God. You can see why I do a lot of shopping. Oh, talk to Gail. She is sounding so much better and home and doing so much better. So I'm so happy to hear her sounding good and doing good. So awesome. Yay, yay, yay. All right. I got these in, these were just $1.09. They weren't on sale, but look at these. Aren't those cute? Paper clips with bow, or clothespins with bows on them. Yep. And somebody else asked, are you moving? You keep mentioning your trailer. So if you're new here and you're like, what is she talking about? I have a trailer at a private park camping club thing where you can use 180 days. And I'm going to move out there and spend most of my days out there after my kids visit, because I just don't want to put all my stuff out there and then have to move it to get cleared out so they have a place to stay. It turns into another craft room, basically. So yes, I'm going out there soon. I got these on half price, so $2.24 napkins. See? Yep. And then I wanted something, and these were half price. And here's another thing for just different things when I do overhead videos. It's fun to have different backgrounds. So I got this for, it was half off, so 99 cents. Yeah. And that same idea in mind. Look at these towels. I might put this in my guest bathroom. Oh my gosh. Isn't that gorgeous? With the bows. Oh, love it. And they have bows here and here. So when I thought, well, I could iron it, but I don't know. I might just use it as its purpose. And then I thought these were cute. They're little clear cake toppers. 99 cents. So I got that, or those. Oh, this doesn't seem like enough. What the heck? I'm putting together a Purple Love and Friend gift basket for her birthday. So I got a couple of these purple shreds. I couldn't find any. This is, I'm sorry, I'm switching to Dollar Tree. Oh, and a review. So Emma we sat outside, and she's a mosquito attractor. We have a lot of moisture and around these parts. So we tried one of these when she was doing a sleepover. At first she thought it worked, but then she's like, I don't think so, Grandma. So we were sucking, well, there's nothing to, I don't know. She goes, there's nothing you can't see visually anything coming out. So she doesn't think it really works. So just an FYI on that. Let's see, what else did I get? Oh, thought for coloring these up, I found these, and I found, like I did the bows, right? And I got the flowers. Thought those were cute. You could do these kind of retro looking, so I'll probably do these next. What else did I get there? Oh, nice. I end each bathroom, just if, say I'm going somewhere and I just ate, or I'm doing a video, I brush my teeth. So I have a toothbrush in each bathroom just as an extra in between things, not my electric all the time. But they get stiff and stuff, and then Eric's like, oh, your toothbrushes are just... So before he comes, I put out new ones. Why do I care? But anyway, that kid. Oh, and I thought for my Purple Love and Friend, that fun. So I'm just putting a little basket together for her. She is my son's mother-in-law, by the way. More tweezers. These are the best. I was talking to Emma. She goes, you don't have any eyebrows. They're like dark, but nothing. I go, well, when you get older, honey, you lose hair here and here, but you gain it here. And she goes, oh. I go, uh-huh. And you pluck them out. She goes, oh, that's... I said, no, that's become a hobby. She's just like, I don't want to get old. I go, no, nobody does, but better than the alternative. Anyway, more sponges. Poor kid's going to be. And I wanted more of these because I pretty much used up mine in the kitchen. So nothing exciting there, but I wanted to... Oh! I knew there was more. I found this at Hobby Lobby, 24 cents. And look at this. They have... I didn't think they had the fat quarters. They probably have $1.79. Yep, chickens. I mean, seriously. Really? Chickens. I need to get over it, but I just... Oh my gosh. So yeah. Fun, and more fun. All right, you guys. I think that is it. Yep, that's it. All right, I will add the little clip of my backyard, what I did to it, and I hope you have a great rest of your weekend. Take care. Bye-bye. Okay, these are the pots I'm talking about and the artificial flowers. I think they add a little pop of color. Just saying. I had that pot already. So I bought the pots, these two blue ones at Hobby Lobby. And I bought, sorry, this at Hobby Lobby for like $5 or something. It was on 50% off. So yeah, there's my little backyard now. I moved the squirrel feeding over there. I put down mulch. And then I put up my stuff on my wall. I'm going to have my son remove that. It's not going to get used anymore. And there's Hobby Lobby I've had for a few years. I cleared out some of the stuff back there. So I'm pretty pleased with how it turned out.